Imagine claiming to hate spicy food for 3 years. Then, you try biryani at a friend's house, and suddenly, everything changes. You've just abjured your entire spicy food stance, marking a major character development.
I really don't do spicy food.
Just try this one bite.
Oh my God, this changes everything.
Synonyms for abjure include renounce, recant, and forswear. A memory trick for this is A, be away, plus jure, jury/oath. You are swearing off an old belief under oath. Generation Alpha sees abjuring an old take as, quote, based character development. In today's news, 4 Republican Congress members publicly abjured their party's position on the Iran war. Abjure is stronger than renounce, implying a formal, oath-like rejection, and is important in political and historical contexts. Just like your spicy food change, some beliefs you eventually abjure.